Here we have a Porsche Cayenne. Is a model 2018 chassis 9Y, as it called. It looks stripped. It's missing just the two headlights. And what we're doing now, we have two new headlights. The car comes from a body shop. They've been replaced, and they don't work. Why they've been replaced? They've been stolen. No other damage on the car. No damage to the bumper, to the bonnet. Bonnet was not open. However, they've been stolen. The trouble with those headlights is that they are so easy to be accessed from underneath through the wheel arch. Let's see if you can show here through this side. Can you see those holes over there? They can be easily undone. And it's the second car in the last month is done. This is the second car. One headlight, 1,700. On top of that, because there's no repair connectors for the headlights, they have purchased the full wiring loom just to get the connectors. I mean, this is what they've decided to do. The body shop, maybe there was an alternative, I don't know. And they stick them on because what they've done when they take in the headlight, they have chopped the connector, and both of them, they've been left like that. Now, new headlights are on. Absolutely nothing works. As you can see, we have hazards on, but nothing works in this because they need to be programmed. New headlights, they have control units that need to be programmed in order to operate. So as you can see, the headlights are completely off. Now we are already connected to the car. On the diagnostics, we see the faults obviously related with the coding. There is another fault that we suspect it might have an open circuit somewhere, but we're going to take care of the coding fault, which obviously has to be done on both of the headlights. Okay, here is voltage requirements. We have 13.3, but we have to increase it to over 13.6. So let's do that over here. We're gonna put it to 14 volts. So hopefully that'll be enough. Soon it should go to over 13.6 and it should enable the next button. Let's see how long it's going to take. We're going to get in there. Takes a bit. Always when you do coding or programming, the battery voltage is a very important aspect because otherwise control unit can fail. Some programming can be done usually on 13 volts or just above. This particular one requires over 13.6. The procedure automatically resumed once the voltage is been attained. As a process, you should do both of the headlights in the same time. Yeah, now it does the right headlight. Yeah, we start having lights now. The procedure is still going through. Okay. So we have an error saying that the coding was not completed successfully. I'm suspecting this might be related with the fact that we had still an open circuit. We have to take the test forward with the fault that are still present. Obviously, at this moment in time, we do have control unit, they've been switched on. So part of the coding was already be written, and I'm suspecting we have no communication with another control unit. Hence, we have the issue. So the coding, as you can see here, it shows that it's complete successfully. We just have to see exactly what error is still present before we conclude. Okay, so now if we go in fault memory, yeah, so the coding fault has cleared. We still have no communication. What I'm suspecting here is still we might have a blown fuse or something when they cut the wiring. Let's see. So they managed to clear the faults, but if we cycle the ignition, okay, actually there are no faults left. We need to do a test, but let's see. Let's check the lights, see if they do operate. Okay, we have full beam operates, low beam, and side lights. Okay. Okay. So far it seems operating. Do we have indicators working in the headlights? Let's switch the lights off and then put them back on again. Okay. Oh, actually I don't think we have indicator in the headlights. Not certain because we have no bumper. But we just gonna run another check, another diagnostic check. This was the procedure to carry out headlight programming on a Porsche Cayenne 9Y chassis. Headlights alone and the parts, the customer was telling us costs 1,700 each headlight, and probably the wiring, as I've just seen, I believe is definitely a few more £100, only because the securing, to be honest, is not very good and they can be easily accessed. A bad situation, security definitely always have to be upgraded, even on headlights nowadays.